Hello everyone and welcome back to Denise Glam Style Living. In today's video, I want to share with you one of my Easter tablescape for 2025. Welcome to my white and gold Luxurious Easter Tablescape, giving you the high-end look with a low budget price tag. Please come in, relax, and enjoy the tour. I will share with you how I put my table together. 1. Using sale price items. 2. Shopping my home. And 3. DIYs. talking about putting my table together, I usually start with my tablecloth because it's my foundation piece for styling my table. Then my plate settings. But today, we're going to do a little something different. We're going to start with this stunning centerpiece. My white and gold cake stand was purchased from Home Goods. And I added in some greenery by using my boxwood wreath that came from Hobby Lobby, 40% off. I DIY'd my vase by spray painting metallic gold. I did this gorgeous floral arrangement, and all my florals was purchased from Hobby Lobby. Next to my floral arrangement are my gold bust bunnies that I purchased from Z Gallery 3 years ago, and they was on the after spring clearance sale, and they are so handsome. Next to my bunnies are my Z Gallery candle holders that I purchased in the store, and they was on sale online, and then when you buy them in the store you got additional 20% off. And my white and gold Fabergé eggs also came from Z Gallery, and they was under that clearance sale as well, and they are absolutely beautiful. Now let's talk about my white and gold table runner. My runner came from Ross, and it was on sale for $10. What I love about this runner is the beautiful embellishment. He is risen. My tablecloth and gold placemats was purchased from Home Goods. My white chargers came from Hobby Lobby, and they was on sale for $1.99 each. My gold salad plates was purchased from Z Gallery a couple of years ago, along with the dinner plates. My white platters with the gold bowls came from Ross, and they was on sale for $3.99 each, and they are a new addition to my decor pieces. My white napkins came from Home Goods, and I did a small DIY by spray painting my edges gold. My bling out napkin rings was purchased from Z Gallery a couple of years ago, and I did these adorable bunny ears for each plate settings. I think they turned out so amazing with the layering of the dinnerware, platter, and chargers. I had to pull out my old but golden flatware, and they are bringing me back to humble beginnings. I purchased them from Burlington years ago when I first started doing tablescapes, and I'm so happy that I still have them in my stash. I'm using my martini glasses that I purchased from Z Gallery. They have the right amount of elegance that goes perfect with this table. Don't you agree? I hope you enjoyed my white and gold luxurious Easter tablescape and it gave you inspiration on how to decorate a high-end table with a low budget price tag. If so, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new video. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you so very much for all your love, your kindness, and support. You are so amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to share me out because I'm on the road to 3K and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you for watching and have a blessed and wonderful Easter. Bye-bye.